Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're decoding a seriously fascinating mystery. We're unpacking the hidden psychology behind achieving extreme financial success when starting with absolutely nothing. We're going to break down exactly what happens in the human mind that allows someone to climb out of poverty and build lasting wealth.
Okay, let's dive right in. Have you ever noticed how some people start their lives with absolutely zero advantages? I mean, no rich family, zero connections, and definitely no perfect opportunities handed to them on a silver platter. Yet somehow they still become incredibly successful. Meanwhile, plenty of others stay stuck in the exact same place for years. So what is the psychological gap between these two groups? Well, that's exactly what we're going to uncover today. Here's our psychological blueprint for today's explainer. First, moving beyond pure luck. Second, the power of delayed reward. Third, rewriting your self-image. Fourth, navigating emotion and uncertainty. Fifth, why valuing skills over status is essential. And finally, we'll wrap up with the ultimate psychological shift. All right, section 1, beyond just pure luck. Let's address the elephant in the room right away.
A lot of people just assume that going from zero to wealthy is like spinning a roulette wheel, right? Just pure luck. But the source material tells a totally different story. It actually boils down to having an internal locus of control and highly structured mental patterns. It's these internal patterns that make some individuals far more likely to escape poverty, build their wealth, and consistently keep growing, while others simply stop trying. It's a structured psychological game, guys, not a lottery.
Moving on to section 2, the power of delayed reward. This brings us to our very first actionable mental shift. According to our sources, one of the absolute strongest psychological predictors of long-term success is delayed gratification, tolerating short-term discomfort for a long-term gain. You've probably heard of the famous Stanford marshmallow experiment, where kids who could hold out for 2 marshmallows instead of eating one right away had far better life outcomes. Well, people who build wealth from nothing apply this exact principle as adults. They don't just magically avoid temptation, they actively train their minds to tolerate short-term discomfort for a massive long-term payoff. It's a highly deliberate practice of choosing future stability over a quick fix today. And this brilliantly illustrates the ultimate psychological divide. The trap is spending money just to get a quick hit of dopamine right now. That immediate gratification is exactly what keeps so many people stuck. The wealth builder's mindset, on the other hand, is becoming totally comfortable sacrificing temporary pleasure to plant seeds for future freedom. Psychologically speaking, if you can successfully manage this dynamic, you're creating a huge compounding advantage over time. Section 3, rewriting your self-image. Because to fundamentally fix your finances, you first have to fix your foundational identity. Just think about these statements for a second. People like me never succeed. That lifestyle is not for someone like me. Many people stay completely trapped because poverty literally becomes a core part of their identity. When you internalize these specific, limiting thoughts, poverty falsely becomes an unchangeable characteristic of who you are. The mind just accepts defeat before you even make a real effort. But here's where the cognitive reframing actually happens. People who manage to rise from zero fundamentally rewrite their self-image way before their bank accounts ever change. While the trapped mindset accepts the current environment as permanent destiny, the wealth mindset views poverty as a strictly temporary condition, not a permanent trait. Their physical surroundings might still be exactly the same for now, but their internal mindset no longer matches that environment. So the crucial point here is this exact sequence, what we call identity-based habits. Step 1 is always changing your identity. Step 2 is changing your behavior. And only then, in step 3, do your circumstances actually change. Psychology clearly shows us that behavior usually follows identity. And here's why this matters for you. If you don't rewrite how you view yourself first, your habits are never going to shift enough to change your reality. All right, section 4, navigating emotion and uncertainty. Once your identity is set, how do you actually take action in a chaotic world? Let's talk about emotional roadblocks: fear, frustration, embarrassment, rejection. Let me be super clear based on our sources. People who build wealth from zero still feel every single one of these things. They aren't robots, but they become distinctly less emotionally reactive. They build this powerful emotional firewall. They learn how to make critical decisions without letting those raw emotions dictate their every move. By refusing to let temporary feelings constantly interrupt their long-term goals, they stay remarkably consistent while others just throw in the towel. Here's a stark psychological reality that we're all fighting against. The human brain is hardwired for loss aversion. It inherently prefers safety and predictability over the unknown. Most people psychologically avoid risk because of this deep evolutionary hardwiring. But building wealth from nothing almost always involves serious, calculated risk. There are no guaranteed results, no immediate rewards, and literally zero certainty that things will actually work out. Because of that, this single trait separates the successful from the stuck. Act before certainty exists. People who succeed financially often develop a wildly high tolerance for uncertainty. They become super comfortable taking action in the dark, before any certainty exists at all. And as our source highlights, that changes absolutely everything. Think about it. If you wait for a 100% guarantee before making a move, you're going to be waiting forever. Section 5. Valuing skills over status. We know how they manage emotions, but what do successful people actually focus their day-to-day energy on? So many folks get totally caught up in chasing the mere appearance of success. Seeking validation by renting sports cars just for Instagram or buying designer clothes they definitely can't afford just to look the part. But psychologically, real wealth builders couldn't care less about curating an image. People who rise from zero focus all their attention on becoming valuable first. Their attention stays stubbornly fixed on real, tangible, personal growth. And here's the exact sequence of how that focus pays off. It's a relentless chain reaction. Step 1, they learn hard skills. Why? Because psychologically, they note that skills directly create. Step 2, opportunities. And what do opportunities eventually create? Step 3, they generate money. By focusing obsessively on step 1, the rest of the chain literally becomes mathematically inevitable. Finally, section 6, the ultimate psychological shift. Let's look at how all of this synthesizes into a completely new worldview. When you finally grasp the hidden psychology behind human behavior, why some people consistently rise while others stay chronically stuck, the entire journey is totally demystified. You start seeing success very differently. It's no longer magic. It's no longer just a lucky break. It's a predictable, repeatable outcome of specific, deliberate psychological patterns that absolutely anyone can learn to adopt. So I want to leave you with a final thought here. Now that you've seen the mental blueprint, the delayed gratification, the identity shift, the emotional control, and the obsessive focus on skills, the ball is entirely in your court. Thanks for joining me on this explainer. My challenge to you is this. Are you ready to stop waiting for luck and intentionally rewrite your own psychology?